Welcome to Crispin Crypto Millionaire. This is where we talk about how to make money passively using various platforms. Please note that I'm not a financial advisor, and do your due diligence before you invest your money in any platform like this. Let me talk about this bank that is called Shao Bank. This is one of the passive income, but before I get into that, please, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your research before you put your money in any financial asset that I'm gonna talk in this channel. Everything I talk about is not guaranteed to be a financial advice. I'm just sharing with you ways in which I used to make money. So just do the verification, but what you do is that you put you sign up, you put your name, and once you put your name, your details, you do the KYC. So the most interesting part in this bank, this is an online bank. You can deposit your money and let your money work for you. As you can see, this one here, these are the withdrawal that I've made. I deposited 2,400 HKD. That is in on concurrency, but you can as well see it in USDT. So what you do is you come here, you come. All right. What you do, you come here, and once you come to bond, you come to bonds. Once you are there, you come. There are two type of bonds. We have just come down buy bonds. You see this BB 7280. Then we have this one that is AA 5190. So these bonds are always locked for 3 years maturity period. So if you take the first one, it gives a yield of 0.45% daily, including weekend, and they pay you each and after every 7 days. You can withdraw weekly, or you can withdraw after 1 month, or it only depends on how you really want to do it. So the first one is that and minimum is 10. So like me, I have 30 bonds. You see this, so you come like this, you just put 30. If you want 50, just come and put 50 bonds, and this 50 bond, one bond is equal to 50 HKD. So once you've done that, you can come here, you click there. Once you click there, so pay with, you can come and pay with USDT or Tether USDT. And once you have done that, you come down, you see that bound. They will also give you certificates that indicate that you are the owner of the bonds that you are going to buy. So what happens is you come down here and you are able to see. So this is 19,440 HKD, and after 3 years, that is if I buy today. So the amount payable is equal to 508.4 USDT. So once you've done that, you will be able to see your investment there, and you will also be able to withdraw from your investment interest profit each and every day. So if you want to come and see how the transaction, you go to transaction, you have clicked transaction, you click there, and once you have clicked there, you come, let me just click there. So you are able to see able to see what is happening. So if you want to join this, I'm going to share my link in the description. If you want to register and start making money, do not put your money in bank and you are not earning something from it. You can just put your money in a platform like this, and it begins to earn you an interest, and you can use it every month. So that, guys, that is how we make money using this platform. So if you have any question, something you want to inquire, please let me know in the comment section. And again, this is where we will be talking about how to make money online using various platforms. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like and comment, and see you till then. Bye bye.